how to add an account on the Nintendo Switch. So here we just want to click on the home button, so we're taken to the home screen, and then we want to go to system settings, which is this one right here. After we click on it, then here we can scroll down until we see the option for user. So just click on user here, and if we want to add an account, we will click on add user. Now it's gonna look like this, and we can import a user from another Nintendo Switch console or create a new user. I'm gonna create a new one. So we will have to choose their icon here. So we're gonna click on this link icon, and we have to set their name. So we can do test user here. So I'm just gonna type test like so, and I'm gonna click on OK here. Now this user will be added to the console. Click on OK. And we can link a Nintendo account to your user. So once a Nintendo account has been linked to a user, you cannot then change which Nintendo account is linked to that user. So we're gonna do that later. And that's how you add a user to the Nintendo Switch. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.